Hey, welcome back, guys. Today we learn how to change the color of single bar bucket color in Tableau. Okay, how we can change the color of single bar or bucket color in Tableau. Now come to the Tableau. Okay, so for that I am using a sample superstore dataset, and for that I use one sheet name is orders, and you can see here is a different field in this order sheet. Now come to sheet number 2. Okay, now come to sheet number 3. Okay, so suppose if we select subcategory here in rows and sales in here in column, and then you can decreasing the order of this category. Okay, and if you just control plus drag and drop category to color, so you can see, or you can go in color, edit color, right? So here you can see the all member in subcategory here. Okay, now just select all and you just put any color as per your requirement. Okay, for now I am using the this one. Okay, now if any color, suppose you have a phone and chairs. Okay, for phones and chairs, who is most top in this subcategory, so just go in color, edit color, and we just see phone. Okay, and control plus chair, and you put this one color, then apply, and okay, so in this way you just put any color as per your requirement, right? So randomly or as per your requirement you just put the some bars. Okay, and you just select it and fill the different color. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can receive my more updated video. Thank you and stay tuned.